Honor 90 5G just launched few days ago. World's highest flickering frequency curved OLED display, Snapdragon mid-segment 5G processor, 200 megapixel triple camera setup, super eye-catching design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor 90 5G phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. First, let's open the box. You will see what inside. The accessories for the Honor 90 phone includes the SIM card pin, phone case, 66-watt charger and a data cable. The Honor 90 has a large 6.7-inch curved screen with a single hole for the front camera. It's really comfortable to hold and the screen's black edges are very evenly spaced. The screen is very clear and detailed with a resolution of 1200 by 2664 pixels, showing a 10.7 billion colors. It's super smooth with a fast 120Hz refresh rate, making swiping really smooth and pleasant. With OLED screen phones being popular now, there is an issue with the flickering caused by low frequency PWM dimming. You are probably familiar with it if you use the smartphone a lot. From my own experience, looking at screen dimming this way for a long time can make your eyes tired. Luckily, the Honor 90 addresses this. It uses a special 3840Hz UHF PWM dimming technology that's been certified as flicker-free by Randland. Following the international standard IEEE standard 1789-2015, if a screen's flicker frequency is higher than 3125Hz, it's not harmful to our eyes. In comparison, most screens nowadays have a flicker frequency like 1060Hz, 1920Hz, which are okay but still a bit risky. However, the Honor 90 goes beyond that. It uses a 3840Hz UHF PWM dimming, which is even safer. If you are someone who's sensitive to flicker like me, you will pleasantly surprised by the Honor 90's performance in this aspect. Let's check out the back of the Honor 90 that I have. It's a silver in color. The camera module is on the upper left corner. It's designed symmetrically with two curved shapes inspired by the moon's phase. The back has a shiny finish and in the right light, you will see lines of the light and shadow. If you look from the certain angle, this line seems to pop up and create a 3D effect. I'm not sure if this comes across on the screen, but trust me, it's a good looking design that gives a bright vibe. You should feel it in the person when you can. The middle and the lower part of the back have patterns. The middle has a small diamond shape in the strip-like pattern separating it from the lower part. The lower part has a lots of dots and the diamond pattern made by circles. This adds the textures and grip, so the phone doesn't slip easily when you are holding it. As for the buttons and ports, there are no buttons on the left side, but you will find the volume button and power button from the right side. At the bottom there is a SIM card slot, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and speaker grill. The Honor 90 stand out when it comes to the photography. It has a 50 megapixel front camera from the great portrait. On the back there are 200 megapixel main camera paired with a separate depth lens. Additionally, there are a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and the macro lens combo. The main camera on the back is special with a large 1.4-inch sensor and the wide f1.9 aperture. This means it captures a lot of light. Thanks to its high resolution, even if you zoom in the photo, the detail remains clear. For people like me who enjoy cropping and arranging picture, this camera setup is perfect for creating a well-composed image. You can see the sample photos. The Honor 90 uses a powerful 4th generation 7 Gen 1 enhanced processor. I tested it by running two games, Honor of King and PC Lite or PUBG, and the overall performance was really smooth. When it comes to the battery life, the Honor 90 has a big 5000 mAh battery. It also supports a super fast charging at 66 watt. It only takes 52 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. The price of the Honor 90 5G base variant in UK start from £499. You will get a buying link in the description section. The Honor 90 in both thin and light weight about 186.6 grams. It strikes a balance between slimness and good battery life. This phone is great for photography with a 50 megapixel front camera and a 200 megapixel main rear camera. It's really impressive in terms of hardware. The portrait engine makes the portrait photography even better. If you are into the photography, the Honor 90 is a smart option. It also has a 3840Hz UHF PWM dimming screen, which is great for the people who are sensitive to screen flicker. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.